Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So I want to give a big thank you to ShaynaMADE for making these business cards for me and sending me these beautiful cards. So this is the packaging. Guys, she has her own sticker on the package, which I thought was so cute. So she sent me these sample business cards, and I'm just going to show you guys what they look like. So as you can see, these are some very pretty cards. She does every single color. She does holographic, she does foils, she does gold, rose gold, every single color you can think of. So again, here are just some examples of some business cards that she has made for other businesses. So I'm just going to show these and then I'll come back to you. Also guys, if you want business cards done by her, she also does different sizes, so they don't have to be like square. They can be a crown, a heart, this shape. I don't really know what this shape is called. Just any shape you can think of she can do. Again, any color. She can do holographic. She can do anything that you want. So oh, and another thing, she does do designs. So if you have a hard time coming up with a design, she can do that for you. Again, her website is ShaynaMADE.com. Check out her Instagram at ShaynaMADE. Again, I also want to thank Shelly for designing my cards as well. So again, here are just some more examples. So I'm just going to show you guys the examples and then I'll come back to you. And this is also a pin that she sent me that I thought was so pretty. I love on the back it actually says ShaynaMADE. I thought that was very, very unique and pretty. They also do different things. They don't just do business cards. They also do like t-shirts and things like that. So here's how the cards come. Your card will come on the back of the box, and then if you take it out, you'll see your cards. So I thought these cards were amazing. I really, really, really love the design. Yes, they did design my cards. Okay, I just told them everything I wanted, and then they sent me the proof, and I was like, looks good, and here it is. So I had to get that gold frame because like I never had like a gold frame before. I thought it would be really, really pretty. But yeah guys, aren't these cards just like gorgeous? Like y'all understand how happy I was when I got these cards. ShaynaMADE did an amazing job. Again, definitely shop ShaynaMADE for your business cards. Okay, the quality will be on point. Like just look at that. That is just so beautiful. Y'all don't understand how happy I was when I saw these cards. Okay. So yeah, I'm pretty much just like showing off my cards. So here's the second box that they came in. So I'm just going to open that up. Again, she also do like she also does stickers as well. So I think some of those that she sent me were actually stickers. So again, one card will come at the top, and then I'm going to pull out the rest. And then bam, there goes her card. I really like her card because it's kind of like, I can't think of what it's called, but it's kind of like 3D like it kind of goes in the middle. I can't think of what that's called. But I thought that was very unique. Of course, her cards are going to have holographic. Okay, everybody loves holographic business cards. And they feel just like business cards, guys. They don't feel fake or flimsy. They are very great material. So again, definitely shop at ShaynaMADE on Instagram, ShaynaMADE.com. Again, I want to thank you so much for sending me these amazing cards. I love them so much. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And definitely check out ShaynaMADE.